Hello friends, in today's video, we are gonna dig deep into the world of Bergeranthus Multiceps and uncover some seriously cool tips and tricks. Bergeranthus Multiceps is a fascinating succulent known for its unique appearance. This plant has thick fleshy leaves that resemble little clusters of grains. It grows up to 3.2 inches tall, developing a single fleshy rootstock that expands as it ages. The leaves are fleshy green and triangular in cross-section. Now let's discuss some ideal lighting conditions for this beautiful succulent. This succulent needs bright light but doesn't like too much direct sun. A sunny windowsill where the plant receives 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight during the early part of the day and partial shade during the afternoon is the perfect spot to grow your Bergeranthus multiceps indoors. Now let's dive into the soil for Bergeranthus multiceps plant. Bergeranthus multiceps thrives best in porous soil mixes that allows water to drain away quickly. So use a commercial potting mix that is specially designed for growing succulents. Adding some organic matter like compost can help improve the soil's fertility. When it comes to temperature, the Bergeranthus multiceps plant prefers warmer temperatures between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. High temperatures are not a problem for this plant as long as there is plenty of fresh air. But it doesn't have a good resistance to extreme cold weather. As far as watering is concerned, Bergeranthus multiceps requires little or no water when it goes dormant, usually in winter. When it begins to grow again in spring, it is safe to water deeply, allowing the soil to dry before between waterings. If leaves start to wrinkle during the active growth, your plant needs water. Next comes repotting. Bergeranthus multiceps will stay happy in the same pot for several decades. The common reason for repotting is to divide or to give a plant a larger growing space. The best time to repot this plant is at the beginning of the active growth period. But the repotting can be done almost any time while the plant is actively growing. I hope you had a great time checking out my video. Let me know what you thought and if there is anything else you would like to see in the future videos. Thank you.